How to make an offer on Vinted. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how you can make an offer on Vinted. So how can you make an offer on Vinted? One thing you must note is these things are simple, just quick and easy, and you need to take your time, so ensure you watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Vinted account. Once you're logged in and you can see the home page, the next step is to select the item that you would like to make an offer for. So for example, this is the item I want to make an offer for, this particular one. And then once you've gotten the item, just select it. And after selecting it, you'll be brought to the page where you can see um details about the products by the right side of the screen. You can see brown, the state, payment option, etc. Then once you can see this, just scroll down. By the time you scroll down, under the shipping tab, you can see options like buy now, make an offer, message seller. So just click on make an offer, and then the next step is to offer your price. So once you selected, once you typed in your price, click on make an offer, and then you wait for the page to load. Once it has loaded, you can see you will be brought to the page where you can now chat with the seller directly to continue with your offer. So now your offer has been sent, and the conversation is pending. So once the seller is available, you will get a response, and from there you will be directed on what to do. So this is how you can make an offer on Vinted. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.